What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Bitcoin to Solana in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do that. Well, the first thing that we want to do here is we want to access our Phantom Wallet. Let's go open up our extension here and let's go enter our password if it requires you. Now, in our Phantom Wallet, if you're not aware yet, you could actually swap your already existing token, which in this case is something really helpful if you want to hold a different token here. Like for example, if you want to hold Solana, you can actually convert or swap, or in this case the correct term for that is swap, so you can swap your Bitcoin into Solana here. Now, what we need to do is we need to look for a very specific option or icon here. It's going to be the swap icon or the swap, or in this case the rotating icons or arrows that you see here. Now, if you're using mobile, it's going to be the same thing here. Go ahead and click or select those icons. So either icon is going to be okay. Now, from here, you want to go and set a few things. So first is you want to go and set the you pay section, which in this case is going to be Bitcoin. Now, if you already have Bitcoin in your wallet, you should be able to search it in here and select that. Now, once you've selected that, you want to go ahead and go to the receive section, and you want to go ahead and select Solana in here. Now, from here, what we need to do, by the way, since I've chosen this, let's go and swap this one. Let's go and choose Solana. So in this case, select Solana here, and just make sure that you selected Bitcoin here. But again, you can only select it if you have Bitcoin or if you are currently holding Bitcoin. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and swap it in this section here. A button that says swap should appear, and from then on, just proceed with the transaction and approve it, and you should be able to receive your Solana. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.